This video is gonna be about control a LED with Arduino. Level of difficulty is 2 out of 5. Okay, let's go and start it. At the end of this video, we will have a circuit like this. When you connect the Arduino to the power, you will have a LED which is blinking like this. Okay, let's go and start our own circuit. To make this circuit, we need an Arduino. In this video, I use a Arduino Mega, a breadboard, wires, two wires, we need two wires, a resistor, and a LED. Before we start making our circuit, I want to mention that, and maybe some of you forget or maybe some of you knows this. I just want to remind you that our breadboards has different sections, as you can see here. I want to mention that these pins here are connected horizontally to each other. It means that if you connect this pin to a ground, to a ground, you will have a ground here, and you can connect this pin, for example, here, and you can connect all other components to each other. But however, this section of the breadboard, the pins are connected vertically to each other. As you can see here, for example, column 50, these pins are connected to each other. And these pins are not connected to this section of the breadboard, okay? And this part, again, like this part, they are connected horizontally again, horizontally, vertically, they are connected vertically, and they are connected also vertically, but this column is not connected to this column. For example, you want to use, for example, this column and, for example, row A and column A, okay? But this one is row A and column 1 is not connected to row F and column 1, okay? Just to remind you, maybe some of you know this, but I just wanted to remind you. This one is an important issue because I saw many people just forget it even though they know it.
Okay, let's go and make our own circuit. As I told you, we need an Arduino. I use Arduino Mega. We need a breadboard, a resistor, a LED, and two wires. To wire this system, to wire this circuit actually, let's first hook this LED. I'm trying to show you. Okay, I chose here. Why did I choose these pins? Because they are more convenient for me. That's it. There is no other reason. And when it ground, I connected the wire to the ground here, as you can see, the ground. And I connect the ground to the short leg of the LED here. As I told you, these pins are connected to each other, so if I connect this wire here, it means that this short leg of the LED is connected to ground. Okay, and we cannot connect the 5 voltage directly to the LED. We need a resistor. I connected the resistor here and another leg of the resistor here. So another leg of resistor is connected to the long leg of the LED. Another one is in column 50. I will connect the other wire to the one leg of the resistor and another one to the pin 13, as you can see here. So pin 13 and ground are connected to our circuit. There's no reason why did I choose them. I just choose them randomly because they are more convenient for me. Okay, let's go and write our own code to run this circuit.
Okay, we are going to write our own code now. Um, in the first step, please make sure that your Arduino is connected to your computer. You can check it here that your Arduino is connected to whatever COM it is. It doesn't matter here, or you can choose it in the tools. Okay, choose the COM port. Whatever, do not just focus on comp 4. Okay, maybe for you is comp 1, comp 5, I don't know, whatever. Just make sure to choose the one it says that Arduino for you. Okay, then in the void setup, your code will have two sections: void setup and void loop. In your void setup, you will define your pin mode. Okay, for defining your pin mode, the command is pin mode. M is uppercase and P is lowercase. Please remember them. We will use pin 13, so pin 13 and pin 13 will be our output. Okay, we are going to send command to pin 13. Okay, and do not forget to use the semicolon. So pin 13, because we connected our LED to pin 13, and pin 13 will be our output because we are going to send the signal to this pin, and this pin will send the command to our circuit. Okay, so it will be our output. Void setup, in this loop, in void loop, actually, the code will run infinitively. It means that it will run over and over to infinity. It will not stop. Okay, now we have to write our own code. Actually, the whole code will happen here. Okay, now the command to turn the LED on is digital right. Okay, digital right, pin 13. If you are going to turn the LED on, the command is high, all of them uppercase. And do not forget semicolon. And another, okay, now we turn the LED on. Okay, we do not to keep the LED on. We want to have the blinking circuit, blinking LED. So delay. Please remember here in delay the command is in millisecond. Okay, see, it also said here millisecond. We will use 500 millisecond, means half a second, again semicolon. So we turn the LED on. The command, the code is here. Turn the LED on for half a second, then digital right, pin 13, and the command is low. We turn the LED off. Turn LED on. Turn LED on for half a second. Turn LED off. Again delay, and I will turn it off for half a second, and it will run over and over. Okay, so let's just review everything. We defined the pin mode. Our pin mode is output. We didn't forget about the semicolon. We defined our void loop. We use digital right to turn the LED on for half a second, turn LED off for half a second, and again the code will do it over and over and over. Okay, let's check our code. It seems that it doesn't have any issue. Let's go and upload our code. Let's see what will happen. See, turn LED on, half a second, turn LED off, on and off, again and again and again. You can change the number here, for example, to 1000. It means 1 second. Okay, again, I check the code. It's now uploading the code. See, the LED is turned on for longer time, off for longer time. You can change this one to, for example, 200 millisecond, and see, on off. See, we can control everything here. For example, this one to 200 again, and this one to 600. See, that's it. Thank you. You almost wrote your first code. Thank you for watching us. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.